Hey everyone, welcome to this video. I basically want to announce a project part of JustDjango, which is JustDjango Salaries. And basically it is verified salary data for Django developers. If you're aiming to start working as a Django developer, then you might have researched salary information in your city or currency. And if you're like me, then you probably weren't satisfied with the results. It's very difficult to find meaningful data for specifically Django developers. You can find information for general software engineering and software developer salaries, but when you're looking specifically at Django, it can be quite difficult. So this is a problem for companies and individuals. So if you're a company, it's going to be difficult to create a salary that's both competitive but also realistic. And if you're an individual, it's going to be difficult to know whether your offer is competitive relative to the industry you work in or the currency that you earn in. And so that's why I've created this project, which is to really help tackle salary equality and lack of information in the Django developer space. So how does it work? Well, if you are working currently as a Django developer, then you can come here to justdjango.com/salaries and you can contribute your salary towards this project. So your submission is entirely anonymous. The data is securely stored and it takes really 30 seconds to fill in the form. So what you can do is you can click on this add your salary and that'll take you to this form to submit. And really it's just asking for a little bit of information. Your email, which is optional, just lets us get in touch with you if there's any other information that you'd like to submit. Again, optional. Then what country you live in, which is also optional, but it does help just create more realistic data per country. So that's quite useful. Then the currency you earn in, which is also, again, very useful if you want to get information for your specific currency. And with everyone starting to work remotely, this is also a contributing factor. So if you are working remotely, that helps make a difference as well. And then last is just uploading your proof of salary, which is in the form of either a payslip or even an offer letter, just any kind of verified document that is proof of your salary. And again, this is verified by us. So we will actually take a look at this document, and that does help in preserving the quality of this data. And so if I just go back here, you'll see that there's actually a progress bar here and it says progress of goal. And basically what this is a goal that I've set for the project, which is split up into several phases. And right now the goal is just to get to 100 salaries. So if we can get that, then I would consider that a first step success in the launch of this project. And from there, it would then go to 500 salaries, 1,000, and there's really no cap, but it just helps provide some sort of guide for the progress of this project. So that's the project, and I'm quite interested to see what we can get out of this, as it's going to be mostly public information for people to see what average salaries are in their countries or in certain currencies, and really to try and provide as much value as possible to the Django community so that we can actually get a sense of what developers are being paid. And this is really important because there needs to be more transparency and just general information in the Django space. And that could actually help the Django community grow, and we could potentially see more companies formed as a result of it. So it's important to start getting this information out to people. And really, if you are working as a developer or a Django developer specifically, then please consider contributing to this project because it really will help push forward the cause. And yeah, other than that, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.